I am making a chocolate caramel 2-ingredient fudge. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm gonna give it a try. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put my caramel in here. Oh dear, how do I read this cup? Okay, I think I got it. Is that right? Oops, I don't know if that's right. I gotta make sure that's right since this is a test recipe. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. I am the world's best estimator, even if I do say so myself. Okay. And I got my chocolate chips. Okay. I'm gonna melt this in the microwave, stirring every 30 seconds. Okay, so I got my chocolate and caramel sauce melted here. And I'm going to pour it into my pan. If this works, this will be pretty darn tootin' cool. All right, I'm gonna spread it in our pan. I am going to spread it in my pan. There is no R here. I don't know why I'm saying R, because it's just me. Well, at least me doing the video. My husband and son are in the background trying to be quiet. Okay, there we go. We're gonna let this set up and we'll see what happens.
This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now.
All right, so as you can see, this fudge is a winner. My son was dying to break into it, so I said, sure, go ahead. And since last night, it has been broken into several times. Now, this doesn't taste, I don't really taste the caramel or caramel, whatever it is. It seems to me it tastes just like a richer version of the chocolate chips that you're using. So, it's not super soft, which is great, but it's still soft enough that it's fudgy. So I would say this was the perfect fudge combination. So just use whatever chocolate chips you like the flavor of the most.